Welcome to the live bench evaluation of the EU121 V2L Vision AI platform, a powerful AI-driven car tracking system. The EU121 Vision AI platform offers real-time speed calculation. AI object tracking monitors movement in real time, ensuring accurate analysis. Finally, the real-scale vehicle speed output provides RPM data and corresponding speed for precise evaluation. Perfect for vision applications, smart camera sensors, embedded networks, and scalable industrial systems. The live bench setup comprises a simulated live traffic environment, allowing users to run a vehicle detection scenario using per-CV AI. Miniature cars are placed on a rotating platform driven by a DC motor that simulates live traffic. A live camera captures a feed of the traffic and sends this to the V2L board for vehicle detection. Click Plug in to connect to the real hardware and begin evaluation. This section comprises the input controls for the live bench evaluation. And this section on the right displays the evaluation output. Use the speed control slider to adjust the speed of the rotating disc, easily controlling the simulation's pace for precise testing. Control the simulation with the Start and Stop buttons, which activates the rotating disc to mimic real-world vehicle movement. And stop at any time. Need a closer look? Use the Zoom In/Out button to adjust the chart view of detection results, giving you more control over the data visualization. Watch AI detection in action with per-CV.ai. Object tracking and performance insights, all in real time. Monitor key outputs with the Output Parameter table, which displays real-time data on the disc RPM and the real-scale speed of the car. See the simulation in action with live video, streaming the entire lab setup in real time. Need help? Use the AI-powered Knowledge Assistant chatbot to get instant answers for any question related to the lab or from the data sheets. Here is an example. Track all lab activities with the progress log, keeping a detailed record of system performance. Activate Assist Me mode for step-by-step instructions and additional insights into the evaluation process. The hamburger menu gives you access to the complete user manual and additional resources. Click the home icon to explore more exciting designs. That's the EU121 Vision AI platform, bringing real-world car tracking into a controlled AI-driven environment. Thank you and happy evaluation!